We're here. Riccio family. Riccio family.
Disney Magic, please welcome aboard the Riccio family.
It's our first. Ava's first cruise. Cabanas? It's not open yet.
12:30.
Karaoke's. They're probably this way. They probably had to go this way.
Well, we can go by Cabanas. Which way is Cabanas?
This way, right?
Deck 9.
Oh, it's not open.
So we can still go up at half an hour.
What if we can't get in?
Half an hour, Don. It's only half an hour. Jason, he said deck 9. After half an hour.
Good. What's going on? I already ordered one already. The mug and a 6-pack. No, we didn't need the wine this time. No. What?
Everybody's here again?
Yes.
Yeah, there's
15.
There's 15 of us. It's just a couple different people. It's the same people that were all shuttered.
Oh, this looks nice.
Look, they got all like
Look at her. Look at her.
you're loving it, man.
This is only a 4. Let's see how you react.
Oh, yeah. I tears.
Yeah, I know you do.
I tears.
And we can't get in our room yet.
We gotta change
Cabanas. Say hi. Yeah.
You love this, huh? Oh, darn it.
Can we fit? Oh, we'll get the next one. We'll get the next one.
You having fun?
It's so funny. That the waiter
Was it first cruise?
Yeah, that was the first dinner I had on
Our first cruise years ago. Not kidding. We both stopped and we're like, Beethoven! Beethoven.
I don't even think any of the guys are still on here from our first cruise.
They just blur. They float. Sometimes they'll do 6 months this one and then they'll take another one. That's so
If I was single, I'd be
Beethoven and Liza. She was so little. Reagan, not on the stairs.
Now that I can do it married.
That was so funny. He's been on this ship for a while. Our first one was up in Napa.
Ava, come on.
Right? What did it do?
Come on.
Okay.
One thing they didn't change.
How small the
The elevators.
Oh my god, go ahead, we can fit. Yes, we can. Move the baby.
Ava,
Grab the
you got her.
Just lift her up. Reagan, come on, go. Move your foot. Jason, you should have let her in first. All right, here we go.
You know what floor?
9.
Yeah.
We'll sit and wait. Ava, jump.
They had to have gone up there, right?
Ava, jump. I don't know. I don't care.
You're being filmed.
I don't,
We're on
so,
vacation.
I don't care.
We're on our own vacation.
This is us. Yeah.
Yes.
We're on our own
Come on.
vacation.
I gotta find
Let them
Anthony.
do their- No.
I wonder if Anthony
Text him to go to
Yeah, I know he did because they have their own entrance.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that he went up first.
I guarantee you he got on before we did. Go.
Oh, he was supposed to text me. This baby wants to get out and see the ship.
Oh my.
Now.
Oh, token, guys. Token, guys.
Come on, sweetheart. Oh, we are. Come on. Oh my God.
Our first cruise in 2011.
Thank
There was
you.
like 16 of us.
Ava.
We just saw
Ava.
beauty.
Ava. Ava.
You gotta clean your hands. I know.
Thank you.
Funny, thank you. I know the song, that's crazy.
Welcome to Cabana. Good morning.
Thank you. Come see.
Oh my God, this is great. Look at this. Check this out. Oop. You want to go over by Grandma?
2011. When it was Pauline and Mom. How funny is that? All right, we're gonna go get food. We have all these saved or no?
Ginge. Ginge. What do you want? I'm going to go get it. She's right here by Graham. Well, they really did redo this. Lamb chops. Goodbye. When? Oh, fine. Turkey. Might as well. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, Jay. Sorry? Please, thank you. Oh, that's perfect. That's mid-rare right there. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Time for lunch. I'm gonna eat my weight in beef.
Jason's over there. What is that?
Prime rib, it's on the end.